Kitchen verbs, ELA with Kiddywiz. Roasting, definition, cooking food, typically meat or vegetables, by exposing it to dry heat in an oven. Sentence, she roasted the turkey in the oven for Thanksgiving dinner. Grilling, definition, cooking food by placing it on a grill or grates over an open flame or heat source. Sentence, she is grilling the burgers on the barbecue for the dinner party. Frying, definition, cooking food by submerging it in hot oil or fat, typically in a pan or deep fryer. Sentence, she's frying some crispy bacon and egg for our breakfast. Stirring, definition, mixing ingredients in a circular or figure-8 motion to combine them evenly while cooking. Sentence, she's stirring the sauce gently to prevent lumps from forming. Pouring, definition, transferring a liquid, such as a sauce or batter, from one container to another. Sentence, she's pouring the hot chicken stock into the cooking pan. Slicing, definition, cutting food items like meat, fruits, and vegetables into thin, flat pieces. Sentence, he's slicing the roasted meat that will be served to the guests. Cutting, definition, separating or dividing food items into desired shapes or sizes using cutting tools. Sentence, he's cutting the fresh carrot into bite-sized chunks. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.